Today we're gonna cook cola chicken wings. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. Chicken wings, cola, soy sauce, garlic, salt, and a little bit white wine. This is how we're gonna deal with the chicken wings. We slightly cut into the skin so like the seasoning goes in faster. Now let's have a look how to season the chicken wings. We're gonna use a plastic bag and put the wings in it, also the seasonings. Soy sauce, garlic, salt, a little bit white wine. Mix it up and let it sit for a couple hours. Now all the ingredients are ready, let's start cooking. Let's turn the stove to high, add some olive oil. Put the chicken wings in the pan and slightly stir fry it. Turn the stove to medium and let the skin get some color. After the skin of the chicken wings turn brown, it's time for the cola. The cola needs to almost cover the chicken, and we turn the stove to medium, let it simmer. We can add a little bit soy sauce to it to balance the sweetness and also give it some color. It's ready! Thank you for cooking with us today. I hope you like today's dish, cola chicken wings, and see you next time. Bye!
I can't eat the rest of it.